Okay, this is our first time eating rice cereal, and he's not sure how to eat it. Here, Carson, let's try some more. Here. He's not sure how he feels about it. He keeps spitting it back out. What do you think of it? What do you think of it? Oh, bless you. You got it all over your face because you can't keep it in your mouth. Do you like it? Yeah. Here's some more. We're not sure how to eat this. We'll figure it out, won't we? Did you swallow it? We're still working on it. Still working on it. Oh, what? What? Let's try one more bite and then Mommy will leave you alone. Here. Oh, sorry, that was kind of a big one. Now he's just sucking it off the bib. Oh, gag. That's so gross. You're so gross. No, you're going to get it all over your hands.